And in the last, I would like to say that women empowerment means giving them rights, not snatching their rights on the name of reformation. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear friends, I welcome you on the channel. I hope that you all friends are really doing good. Today's video is political, and in this video I will discuss a recent incident involving Chief Minister of Bihar, Shri Nitish Kumar ji. This video is neither a hate video nor a blind support video. Here I will explain my personal view in 3 clear points. So friends, let's start this video with a beautiful couplet of Mir Taqi Mir, the poet of pain. काश अब बुर्का मुंह से उठा दे वरना फिर क्या हासिल है। काश अब बुर्का मुंह से उठा दे वरना फिर क्या हासिल है। आंख मुंदे पर उन्ने को दीदार को अपने आम किया. So friends, let's come on the point. First of all, let's know what actually Nitish Kumar did. At first, he said that photography is going on and you can uncover your face. Nitish Kumar is a senior leader and aged person like grandfather figure, and the girl is like daughter and granddaughter. So from this perspective, I don't see bad intention. I also don't like the dresses where only eyes are visible. So I partially agree with the thought of Nitish Kumar, but up to the level of discussion, not action. Now let's come on the most important part of this video. I strongly and strictly disagree the snatching Naqab himself. No matter who are you, Chief Minister of Bihar, senior leader or aged person, but you don't have right to touch the clothing of woman. It's not leadership, it's not democracy, and definitely it's not Indian culture. You must be knowing that in 2023, Shri Nitish Kumar ji has given the sex education to our women on the matter of population control. Let's watch this video again.
पूरी चीज है तो जो हम लोगों ने कहा कि अगर पढ़ लेगी लड़की और वो जब शादी होगा लड़का लड़की में तो जो पुरुष है वो तो रोज रात में जो सदिया होता है उसके साथ करता है ना, तो उसी में और पैदा हो जाता है। और लड़की पढ़ लेती है तो हमको मालूम था कि वो करेगा ठीक है, लेकिन अंतिम में भीतर मत घुसाओ, उसको बाहर कर दो। करता तो है तो उसी में अब समझ लीजिए संख्या घट रही है.
I partially agree his education, but his way of telling was totally bad and wrong. It was very much open, uncomfortable, and against of Indian social values. My final and strongest point is that what a woman wears should be her choice, like sari, hijab, and there are many dresses, salwar and jeans, etc. And in the last, I would like to say that women empowerment means giving them rights, not snatching their rights on the name of reformation. So dear friends, this was the video, and now I will meet you in next video. Till then, take your good care and stay connected to the world Urdu lovers. Bye for now. Khuda Hafiz.